I'm really excited about this tutorial because it is my first partnership and I'm partnering with none other than Main Choice on their new collection called Proceed with Caution. I've had this Proceed with Caution line for going on a little over 3 weeks and I have used it twice. Both times I've been really pleased with the results, mainly because the line is formulated with 2 main ingredients: Japanese cherry oil, right here, and chia seed oil. So my hair has been underneath this hat for a few days. I have an injury, so I really haven't had time to wash my hair. So I thought that this was the perfect time to va-va-voom the curls and bring them back to life with this new Proceed with Caution line by the Main Choice. So without further ado, let's get started. My hair is super dirty and has been underneath this hat for the last few days. So I'm going to start off by sectioning out my hair using clips and preparing it for the pre-poo mask. So this is the Stop the Damage pre or post-poo mask. It's infused with biotin, vitamins A, C, D, and E. This is perfect for when your hair is really dry or when you need help detangling out your hair before you wash it. It's going to have a pH balance to seal lasting moisture inside the cuticle. It's infused and enriched with chia seed oil to help strengthen, smooth, and repair your strands. It's the perfect pre-poo mask. So what I'm doing here is detangling my hair with the pre-poo mask after it sat on my hair for about 5 or 10 minutes. You see that my hair is easily able to be detangled. It's not dry anymore, and it's going to be thoroughly prepared for a wash. Now I'm going to sit underneath the dryer for another 20 minutes so that the mask can really penetrate my hair. Now that my hair has been properly detangled and moisturized using the pre-poo mask and the Slippery When Wet shampoo, guys, I can't get over the Slippery When Wet. That's just a great name for a shampoo. Okay, so now that I've used those 2 products to get my hair together, I am actually ready to style it. I'm going to be using really 3, I know you see 2 bottles here, but it's 3 products to style my hair today. The first is going to be the 4-way conditioner. And I love how the Main Choice throughout this whole entire Proceed with Caution line, they really thought through what is to me like our consumer dollars, right? So instead of buying a conditioner to detangle, instead of buying a conditioner as a co-wash, you really have 4 ways to use this one conditioner. You could use it as a co-wash, a leave-in, a detangler, or you can even use it just when you're in the shower for a traditional wash and go, apply, wash, and then rinse out of your hair. Curls and brutal bounce, look both ways, hair and edge gel. And again, like I said before, the Main Choice gives us essentially one product packaging, 2 products inside, more bang for your buck. Here you see the yellow gel is the hair gel and the clear gel is the edge gel. So I'll be using both of these today. I've already applied the leave-in, and so now I'm going to apply the hair gel.